Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, I will be making the board for the snake game. In the last video, we made the buttons, as well as we got the colors for the board itself. Right now, I put in an Android background for the main constraint, which is hashtag CCCCCC, so 6 capitalized C for the background. Inside of here, we're going to have a text view, which this text view will be like this. Text view Android ID at plus ID slash B1, which will be border 1, because there's going to be an outside border where the snake can't go past, and an inside where the snake can go past. Layout width will be 25 dp. Android layout height will be 25 dp. Layout row will be 0. Column row will be 0. Background will be hashtag 2B652E. Gravity will be center. Text color will be black. Text size will be 0SP. And text style will be bold. After we do that, we're going to copy and paste it. We're going to copy and paste it until we get to B12. So we're going to copy and paste it 11 times until we get to B12. I'll come back and show you what it should look like when you finish. So if you did do it correctly, it should look like this. 12 on top. And then after you do that, you're going to make a B13, which will start the next row. And this is going to be layout row 1, column 0. And it's exactly the same as the one above. The next one is different. So the next one is called B1. And B1 looks like this. It's 25 dp by 25 dp as the one on top, but this time it's a different color. And this color is green 1. After you do that, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to paste it, changing B1 to B2 and changing the background color to green 2, which is 93EF28. Then you keep going back and forth until you reach row 16, column 11, which should look like this. Let me do it first, and then I'll come right back to it. So I just finished it, and it's looking like this. This is what it should look like. From all the way stopping at row 16, column 11. After you do that, you're going to do the last row, which is going to be row 18. So I made this row 18, and it should look like this when you finish. Row 18 will finish off the bottom one, making it closed and making the whole thing. As well as once you finish the whole thing, you can go back to B45, and that's going to be blue, which is the color we made for the snake. And I want you to remember that the grid itself, the border is lowercase b, and it starts from 1 all the way down. And then once you get to the first one, it's going to be a capitalized B starting from 1 going up. And then you should end off at B56 for the border when you finish. And for the big one, you should end off with capitalized B to 160. And that is it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!